Hi, I'm Sarah, film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. Thanksgiving is next week, and it's by far my favorite holiday. It's the perfect day. Family, football, food, and one of my favorite things to eat on Thanksgiving is sweet potato pie. I love me some pie. Today, I'm gonna make a delicious sweet potato pie, which is the perfect addition to your Thanksgiving meal. Let's start baking. Combine 1 1/4 cups of flour with a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 stick of cold unsalted butter cut into small pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of ice cold water. You may need to add up to 2 more tablespoons of ice water. The dough will be crumbly, but you want it to hold together when you squeeze it. Turn dough out onto your work surface and form it into a flat disc. Cover it in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least an hour. Once the dough has been refrigerated, roll it out on a lightly floured work surface. Roll in the dough, roll in the dough, roll, 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 roll in the dough. Carefully place the dough into a 9-inch pie dish. Secure your crust and remove excess dough. Boop, 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 boop. Ta-da! I like to use the excess dough to make decorations. Roll in the dough, roll in the dough, roll, 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 roll in the dough. Here's a turkey. Here's a couple of leaves. Add your decorations to your pie crust. Refrigerate pie crust for about 30 minutes. Preheat oven to 375. Scrape 2 large sweet potatoes that I cooked in a microwave for about 5 minutes each. Add your cooked sweet potatoes. Add 1 stick of butter, mix, 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 mix. Slowly add 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Mix, 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 mix. Add your eggs one at a time. Bloop. Bloop. Boop, boop, boop. Bloop. Squeeze. Mix, 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 mix. Pour mixture into pie crust. Bake pie until center has set, about 45 to 50 minutes. Yum! Sweet potato pie is done. Like the little turkey I added? Shall we give it a taste? I think so. Tasting time. Yum. This is by far my favorite pie. I love sweet potatoes, and the spice just makes you think of the holidays. Feel free to follow me at lucky.treats. Happy baking and happy pie eating Thanksgiving.